Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today I'm going to present you with a very iconic helmet. This helmet has been basically the start of the superstar career, Italian superstar career of Valentino Rossi. So without further ado, let's find out what the actual helmet is. As you can see, this is one of the very popular moon and sun design from Valentino Rossi. So this is from the 2001 season. So this is exactly when he won his first 500cc World Championship. He had fantastic battles with Max Biaggi, who came the runner-up in second place, and Loris Capirossi on the Ducati. Actually, on this championship, he won 10 races, actually 11 races, so he's one of the few who managed to win over 10 races on a season, on a single season, and he basically came on the podium for 13 times out of 16 races, and obviously with a result like that he could only finish on the very top at the end of the championship. So this helmet, as a design, we can see one very peculiar thing, which is the fact that the moon and the sun is not on the sides of the helmet, which is normally where he would put the moon and the sun, but they decided to put the moon at the very back, and you can see it with his popular colors, the yellow and the blue, and of course the sun at the very front with these very mean committed eyes to win the championship, as he did on the front. And the rest of the helmet is pretty basic with the number 46 and the old AGV logo, and here we can see some little cartoon-ish designs, and which they look actually very cool. So here I hope that you guys can appreciate these little designs that I'm showing you here. And well, here it is, guys. I hope that you are enjoying this design. On that same season, 2001, he came out with 3 special helmets, which actually were very similar to this one. This one was the one that he used the whole season, but then he made a few special designs for the Mugello Grand Prix and for a few others Grand Prix. But it was just basically changing a little bit the shadows, changing a little bit the color scheme, but the design itself was this very popular, with the change in the front for the sun and on the back for the moon. And so this was the first time that he did it, and well, clearly it's a very winning helmet, because he managed to secure his 500cc first championship win on actually the second year that he was in the class. And well, what else to say about the helmet? It's spectacular, and it has already found a new owner. So this one is gonna be boxed and shipped to California. That's where the new owner is gonna be, and so congratulations to him. And I'm gonna miss it very much, but guys, stay tuned, because I'm going to be able to show you many other special helmets from Valentino Rossi. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It was a pleasure. So stay tuned, have a fantastic riding season, collecting season like we like it down here, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, guys.